Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Sparrows are tiny birds that love to chirp. Sparrow. Parrot. Look, a parrot. Parrots can talk and love to eat fruits. Parrot. Pigeon. Pigeon. Pigeons are fast flyers and can be found in cities everywhere. Pigeon. Crow. Crow. Crows are smart birds and they go cock cock. Crow. Peacock. Wow, a peacock. Look at its beautiful colorful feathers. Peacock. Eagle. Eagle. Strong birds with big wings to fly high in the sky. Eagle. Owl. Owl. Owls come out at night and have big round eyes to see in the dark. Owl. Flamingo. Flamingo. Flamingos are pink and love to stand on one leg. Flamingo. Penguin. Penguin. Penguins live in cold places and love to slide on the ice. Penguin. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are so small and can flap their wings super fast. Hummingbird. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers use their beaks to tap on trees to find bugs. Woodpecker. Swan. Swan. Swans are white and love to swim in lakes. Swan. Duck. Duck. Ducks love to swim and go quack quack. Duck. Kingfisher. Kingfisher. Kingfishers are great at catching fish from the water. Kingfisher. Robin. Robins have red chests and love to sing in the morning. Robin. canary, canary. Canaries are yellow and have sweet voices for singing. Canary. Seagull, seagull. Seagulls love the beach and soar above the ocean. Seagull. Turkey, turkey. Turkeys are big birds in gobble and have lots of feathers. Turkey. Stork, stork. Storks have long legs and love to stand in water. Stork. Rooster, rooster. Roosters go cook-a-doodle-doo to wake everyone up in the morning. Rooster.